Vaheguru, student of 7th standard. Today we are going to start assignment 3.3 of your chapter number 3rd. Chapter number 3rd, powers. Before going to start this assignment or this exercise, let us discuss about what is meant by scientific notation or standard form, because scientific notation is also called the standard form. What it means? See, standard form is an standard form of any rational number. While we are terminating the decimal of a number, like we will write k is a rational number, we will convert into the scientific notation of any number, multiply with 10 raised to power n, where n is known as any integer. It should be positive or negative, and k is known as any number, any decimal number or any non-decimal number. So this form of the representation of the numbers, the rational numbers, that is known as the standard form or the scientific notation. Let us take an example. In the scientific notation, while we are expressing any number to the scientific notation, only one digit is to be kept on the left side of the decimal. See, suppose we will take an example 12. We have to represent 12 120 into a scientific notation or standard form. We will express this number, only one digit is to be kept on the left side of the decimal. That means we will put the decimal after one digit. So we will write here 1.2. This is the any number, this is the rational number. Multiplied, we will write the index, that is 10 raised to power n. N is any integer. Only two ways you have to remember. If your given number is less than 1, if it is less than 1, that means your index having power is negative. And if your number is greater than 1, see, it is 120, I will take an example. If it is greater than 1, that means your index number having power positive. See, after decimal, we should count the number of places. How we can write now power of 10? Power of an index, that is 10. How we can write? You should count the number of places after decimal. Move to the left. See, decimal move to the left, one digit, two digit. Here we will write the decimal. So power is 2. See, if we will write here number 0.45. See, it is the number which is less than 1. As I told you, whenever the number is less than 1, the index of 10 is a negative integer. The index here, it is negative, it should be negative. And integer is equals to the number of places to the decimal move to the right. As I told you, decimal move to the right side firstly after first digit, as we will write here. Decimal is moving to the right side after first digit, we will put the decimal, multiply. Now index of 10, what I said, index should be negative if your number given is less than 1. So index of 10 is negative, and this integer is equal to the number of places to the decimal moves to the right. How will decimal ones move? See, decimal will move to the only ones time na. Here we will put the decimal, so the negative power will be -1. So that is the representation of the scientific notation or the standard form. Now let us start the assignment 3.3. here in your book there is multiple choice question. The first question is expression of this is the standard form. What is the standard form of this? See, the question is given 0.000427. What is the standard form of this? We have to convert. See, it is given 0.000427. It is less than 1. If it is less than 1, similar way as I told you, your index having the negative power. How it will be the negative power? How we can count the number of negative power? While we are moving the decimal to the right side. For how much places we are moving? See, decimal we should put after 4. So we should move first 1, 2, 3 and 4 time we are moving 4.27. So 10 raised to power minus 4. So what is the standard form of this? 4.27 multiplied with 10 raised to power minus 4. Why it should be negative? Because the given number is less than 1. If it is less than 1, then we have to write then the index of the number that is negative. So the correct option is the option first, 4.27 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 4. Now next question is question number 2. Express the following numbers in the scientific notation. Similarly, in the scientific notation, I will explain only first question, other try by yourself. The first one, that is 554. 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 zeros. See, that number is greater than 1 because it is not less than 1. So if your number is greater than 1, the index of 10, that is positive, and we have to place the decimal after first digit. So we should place the decimal after first digit. So 5.4 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 multiply 10 raised to power 6. So we can write only 5.4 multiply 10 raised to power 6. Why? See बच्चे, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits are there, and here we will write power 6 because we included one decimal number. So one decimal, that means it one including one more zero. So we will write the counting as 6. So answer standard form is 5.4 multiplied 10 raised to power 6. Next, similar second one question. See, 0.0007652. See, it is less than 1. So here 10 raised to power is in negative. So we will write firstly play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits are there. So we will write 7 places. See, 7, 6, 5 and 2. We should place the decimal after first place. So we will write 7.6542 multiply 10 raised to power 3, because we should place after decimal there are 3 digits. So we will multiply with 10 raised to power 3 multiply with 10 raised to power minus 7, which we have written. So 7.652, as we know, if base is same, power should be added. So 10 raised to power 3 plus minus 7. It is 7.652 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 4. 3 minus 3 plus minus minus. So 3 minus 7 is equals to minus 4. So what is the standard form of 0.0007652? That is 7.652 multiply 10 raised to power 4. Now part number 3rd, similar questions. Express the following in the standard form. Standard for scientific notation, that is same. First one question is 3000. See, similar way, 3 multiply with 10 raised to power how many? If we are putting the decimal here, 1 2 3 digits, so 3 multiply 10 raised to power 3. So second question, it is given here 468.2, that is also greater than 1. See, we have to move the decimal to the left side. See, it is 1, it is 2, so 4.682 multiply 10 raised to power. See, as I told you, if it is greater than if your number is greater than 1, then the index should be positive, and this index is equal to the number of places of decimal moving. The number of places decimal moving, this is place 1, then second, so 10 raised to power 2. So the scientific notation or standard form of 468.2 is 4.682 multiply 10 raised to power 2. Now next is the 4th part. Similar way, we have to write in the standard form. So try out by yourself. We are doing part number 5th. Question 5th. Express the product of 3.2 multiply 10 raised to power 6 and 4.1 multiply 10 raised to power minus 2. We have to do the product of these numbers which are given in the scientific notation or standard form, and we have to write their product also in the standard form. See, firstly we can see 3.2. If we will remove the decimal, that is, we will write 10 multiply 10 raised to power 6. Similar way, 41 by 10 multiply 10 raised to power minus 2. See, 32, here 10 raised to power 6, here only 10, 1 0 will be cut, so only left is, you can write 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. See, 1 0 cut with 1 0. Similar way, we will write 10 is positive. Now if we will come on the right on the upside, it becomes negative. So here left 32 multiply 10 raised to power 5, here 41 multiply 10 raised to power minus 3. See, if base is same, powers will be added. So minus 1 plus minus 2, that is equals to minus of 3. So as I written here, 10 raised to power minus 3. See, 32 and 41, 32 multiply 41 and 10 raised to power 5 multiply 10 raised to power minus 3. 32 multiply 41, which is equals to 13 12. Here base is same, so powers will be added. 5 plus minus 3, 13 12 multiply 10 raised to power 5 minus 3, which is equals to 10 raised to power 2. So that is equals to, we have to write in the standard form. So we should place the decimal. After first digit, if we are placing the decimal, then index is while for how many places we are moving to the left, 1 2 and 3. So we should do the multiply 10 raised to power 3. So 1.312 multiply 10 raised to power 3 plus 2, because base is same and power should be added. So 1.32 multiply 10 raised to power 5. This is the product, scientific notation of the product of these two numbers. 1.312 multiply 10 raised to power 5.